What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, y'all already know how to do it. I get straight to it, but first, like always, man, I want to ask you guys to like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Don't forget that whoever is in my comments the most will be the winner of my weekly giveaway, where I'll be sending $50 to $100 via Bitcoin, and also you can have the option to have one of my packages. Okay, now my packages will not come with a consultation because I'm extremely busy. I have a lot of people in my master classes, my partnership programs, and things like that. So when they are in need, I have to be with them ASAP. And I usually don't operate under a time limit. All right, I don't think that you can put a time limit on someone's success. Everyone learns differently. So some people I may can talk to for 45 minutes and they got everything off the rip. Some people I may have to talk to for about 2 to 3 hours. Right? You just got to break it down in layman terms to where they can simply understand. Okay? Now, without further ado, let's get straight to it. So, today I want to talk to you guys about the 2 most effective ways that you can clean your own credit. Okay? Now, I'm a firm believer always to teach you how to fish. I know you guys heard this terminology before, but it's the best thing to do for not only you, but your family, friends, and loved ones. Okay. Now, if you have to always operate outside of yourself to clean your credit or get things done, which, you know, if you want to do anything of any type of extravagance or you want to escape the rat race, then you probably should learn how to clean your credit, because you definitely need your credit to win. Okay. I'm not here to just inform you. I'm here to transform you. All right. And a lot of times, the way you can make a lot of money is to spend future money right now, okay? But it's all about how you do it. A lot of people will tell you, oh, well, if you spend future money, then da-da-da-da, and you're in debt, okay? Then that's coming from a place of fear. I don't come from a place of fear, okay? In anything that I do, because you can automatically go ahead and say that you're gonna lose once you implement fear into your strategies, okay? So you gotta learn how to use tomorrow's money today to get you ahead. Okay, and that's the name of the game. The name of the game ain't paying everybody back all the time and you don't have anything, but everybody else got what they need. No, that's not the name of the game. So make sure that you equipped yourself with what you need so that you, your family, your friends, and all of your loved ones can have what it is that they need so you can live the life that you deserve to live, and also not have to deal with the nuances of just poor people. Let's just talk about it how it is. All right, and we're all poor people at once, so we know how we are, right? If you're self-aware, you know how you are when you don't have, and you know how you are when you have, right? You want to be more giving. You want to be able to have a YouTube channel to where you can just give, right? You want that, okay? So today I want to talk to you guys about Metro 2 and consumer law, all right? Now, Metro 2 is the simple format in which your things on your credit profile need to be properly formatted, okay? You can't have certain things like stars in the account number. You can't have certain things. It's a certain way, it's a certain format, and there's a software that does all of the work for you. But there's a certain way that things need to be posted on your credit, whether it's accurate or not, okay? That is besides the point. They have a structure and a detailed process that they should follow. If not, there is no way that that's an accurate consumer report, or in you all's sense, credit report, okay? Now, with consumer law, you're basically stating, depending on what you're disputing, is that if I don't agree with this being on my credit profile or my consumer file, then I have the right to challenge it, because you don't have the right to put anything on my file without my knowledge and acceptance. That's completely illegal, okay? That is data breaching. That is that is like identity theft. That's like everything in one, okay? Now, here's the 2 different. With Metro 2, it's mostly effective if you want to get your negative items removed, okay? Now, of course, you can't just send one letter and expect everything to come off, okay? So it takes about 2 to 3 rounds, usually about 2 solid rounds, but it takes about 2 to 3 rounds. Just be in your head, be ready for a 90-day process, okay? Or be ready for a 60 to 90-day process, all right? Because it's unrealistic to send one letter and then you have all 5 negative items on your credit report off, okay? It can happen, but it's unrealistic to just think that, okay? So that's very important. When you're dealing with Metro 2, remember, you're dealing with multiple rounds of letters. They have 30 days, then they have 15 days, and then they have 10 days for that final round, okay, to respond back to you. They don't have 30 days, then 30 days again, then 30 days again. It don't work like that. The laws have changed, okay? Now, with consumer law, they're going to challenge you, okay? They're going to challenge you in a way where they already understand, like, hey, you probably got this information from somebody. Let me not respond to you. Let me not do what it is or make any changes, because now I know after you send the first round, you're going to get discouraged. And once you get discouraged, you're now not going to want to clean your credit anymore, or you want your credit clean, but you're not going to clean your credit anymore because you don't think it's going to work. Now you feel like it's a scam, right? But this is a patient game, guys. Yes, you can get your credit clean fast, but that is not a one size fit all for everybody. Everybody is different. I'm speaking to the people. I don't care if you got 30 negative items on your credit, okay? It does not matter. It needs to be removed, and don't shy away from the work, okay? Because your future self will thank you for doing or going through whatever obstacles you had to go through to do what it is that you need to do to have great credit. Okay. Now, in order to have great credit, it's just not about removing negatives. You also have to add positives, but that's another story for another video, right? Right now, I just want to talk to you guys about the consumer law portion, because number one, they will challenge you mentally. And also, you have to be willing, when you're doing consumer law, you have to be willing to go and take the next mile. All right. So if they don't respond to you, or they don't make the changes that they need to make on the first round, the second round, or the third round, what you have to be willing to do is you have to be willing to pick up that phone. You have to be willing to call a consumer lawyer. You have to understand where they went wrong, and then give all of your documentation and everything to your lawyer so that you can have a successful case. Now, what that looks like is making sure that you're sending everything certified priority mail. Okay. But before you do that, make sure that you go and you actually get the credit report from myfreeannualcreditreport.com. Go get the credit report that they're actually using. Identity IQ is also effective. Smart Credit is one of the most effective. I love Smart Credit, but you need to make sure that you also can go to My Free Annual Credit Report. If you don't want to pay anything, if you're that cheap, you don't want to pay anything. Go there, because that's also what the credit bureaus are actually using, or the consumer bureaus are actually using to verify your information. All right. Which is, like I said, it's completely illegal. But anyway, go there straight to the source. After you have that, that needs to be attached with, of course, suppressing the secondary bills. All right, so that they can't get any type of communication going on, because they're not supposed to be communicating about you without your knowledge anyway. They're not supposed to be holding your data without your knowledge or your acceptance anyway. So suppress them. All right. Also, take your first round of letters, send that. They have 35 days. You need to send it priority mail. Okay. Certified priority, actually. That way somebody can sign for it, because you need proof on that receipt for that round, and the second round, and the third round. All right. Once you have all of these, what you can do is you can then give everything to your lawyer from, hey, this is what I did. This is the update. This is this. This is that. This is that. And now he has everything he needs for that case. Okay. 3 rounds is perfect, but a 4th letter needs to be sent as well, because you don't want to stop. All right. You want to keep attacking them, keep attacking them, keep attacking them, even if you're in that process to where you're beginning to sue them. And when I say sue them, that means that you're going to get $1,000 per violation, and you also get money based on any missed opportunities. Okay. So imagine if you knew that they were going to respond to you in a negative manner, or not do what it is that you want them to do, and then you also go and apply for a home. in which an opportunity that you miss due to the negligence that they've put on your consumer file. Okay, so imagine how much money that is. So when you're going to actually get the results and the results only, and you want that done as fast as possible, I will use Metro 2. Okay, you can use that software. I'm actually coming out with a software as well for Metro 2, but you can use that software, and also you can use consumer law if you not only want to get the things off your credit, because after that case is over, not only do you get paid, but you also get the negative items off of your credit as well. So if you're going to actually make money off of this, which in my opinion you should, but it just depends on what you want to do, okay? If you want to get paid for it, you'll also get those negative items removed as well. All right, it's just a little lengthier process. It's a little more tedious as far as the documentation that you need to keep, and then you have to contact the lawyer. But the consumer law lawyers work for absolutely free on your behalf. Only when you have the proper documentation, you have the proper things to show, hey, this is when I sent it, this is when they opened it, this is the person who signed for it. We need to hold them accountable for their actions. All right, that's very simple. That's Metro 2, and that's also consumer law. All right, those are the two most effective ways to clean your credit, guys. Remember, always think long term. Always have the information that you need inside of you, rather than always having to go outside of you to actually get the things that you need done. Now, if you're very busy, like if you're a truck driver, if you own your own business, or you just have a different expertise, that is normal. I understand that. Use your resources that are readily available. All right. I also help do a lot of different things as far as cleaning, building, direction, business, crypto. It literally doesn't matter. All right. We're in the field. Okay. I also have a partnership program, and I also have a masterclass as well that you can inquire about, where we'll go over all of these things. All right. It's no way you guys shouldn't be winning here in 2025. Also, look into investing in crypto, guys. When you're looking to invest in things like that, look into crypto. It is the new golden era. All of the cash and the cards and all that stuff, it's old news now. We're in 2025. Okay, please understand that. Now, it's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you again today with yet another video.